Hi there. So, hopefully, you get to take a little bit of time away from the office throughout the year, whether that is during holidays or you're going to visit people, or you're getting some actually time away to just kind of check out and relax with a staycation or an actual vacation. So, either way, you don't want to have to worry about calendar invites or emails that the people might feel like they're getting unanswered. And so today's tip is going to be a little bit about getting our calendar and our Gmail specifically ready to go for our time away. So let's go ahead and hop in and I will share my screen. Okay, so here we are in my little Gmail playground, and I'm going to first show you how to go ahead and set up an email autoresponder for any emails that come through that you want to just let the people know that you are away and when to expect a reply from you. So we are going to head over to this little settings cogwheel and then click See All Settings. And once we're here, we should be on the General tab, and we'll scroll all the way down. And at the bottom is a section called Vacation Responder. And so this Vacation Responder can be toggled off and on. And obviously, typically it will be off. Once you are ready to go away, we'll switch it to on. And then we can set the dates. When is the first day we'll be away? And when is the last day we will be away? So that way you don't have to remember to come back and turn it off. You can just set it for those specific dates. And so you can also set it ahead of time. So like today is November 11th, I can go ahead and set it up for the 22nd. And so I just kind of have a template already in here, and you can go ahead and kind of edit accordingly for really just putting in the dates that you'll be away. Everything else is already there. And then one important piece, only send to a response. You can, to people that are in your contacts, you can check this off so that only people that are in your contacts are actually getting this notice that you're away. So like typically clients or team members would be getting this notification. If you don't have that box checked, every email that's coming into your inbox is going to get this autoresponder email. So just take that in consideration. But once you are done, you can go ahead and click Save Settings, and it is set up and ready to go on those appropriate dates. And so that's the first piece, getting our email ready to take some time away. And then the second piece you can set up as well is your calendar. And so I'd like to block the time on my calendar anyway, so that people are not able to schedule, anything while I'm away. And it's just easy enough to go ahead and do the out of office at the same time. And so from here, I will note you have to have a G Suite account, not just the free version. And so I'm here in my paid G Suite account. I'll click create, and then I'll click out of office. And so this kind of goes to say the same way, like you're just setting the dates that you're going to be away, the date, and then we'll click all day so that we can get an actual full week away. And then here are the automatically decline meetings checkbox. So you can check that to automatically decline meetings. Or you can uncheck it if you don't want it to automatically decline any Google Calendar invitations. So that is that. And then you could put a message, kind of personalize why this is declined. And then again, you can set it up these settings here. And then once that's done, you can go ahead and click save. And it kind of shows you like a little info box here, making sure those dates and times are correct. And we'll just click save and decline, and it will automatically save and decline any new Google Calendar invites for those dates. And it should also be blocking you from your scheduler as well. So I hope you found this tip helpful, and it can go ahead and set you up for a less stressful time away. So I'll see you next time.